How PUMA shoes are made in the factory. You know what? We all know who's making those incredible steps in that video. It's none other than Usain St. Leo Bolt, the man, the myth, the legend. Isn't it very evident that PUMA's shoes played a huge part in his journey? Well, we all know that Bolt is considered to be the greatest sprinter of all time, but did you know that he signed with PUMA in 2002 at the age of 16, long before his record-breaking achievements? Yup, that's right, PUMA saw his potential before anyone else did. This collaboration not only elevated the brand's profile on the global stage, but also led to the creation of special PUMA products designed to optimize performance for one of the fastest men in history. But you might be wondering why he chose PUMA shoes over other brands. What sets PUMA apart from the rest? Well, let's find out by looking inside the PUMA factory and how their iconic shoes are made. What special material do they use and is similar to Adidas? On average, how long do these shoes last? Let's find out. Well, before we dive into it, be sure to hit like and subscribe if you're a Usain Bolt and PUMA fan. PUMA shoes are your go-to athletic footwear that combines comfort, support, and style all in one. With their sleek designs and durable build, PUMA shoes are great for all kinds of activities, whether you're hitting the track, playing soccer, or just lounging around in style. But have you ever wondered how your favorite PUMA shoes are made? From the first idea to the final product that you lace up, well, every day, creating a pair of PUMA shoes is an intricate and fascinating process. The production of PUMA shoes in factories follows a meticulous and organized process that involves various stages of manufacturing. These stages take place in PUMA's partner factories or its manufacturing plants, which are typically located in countries with large footwear manufacturing industries such as China, Vietnam, Indonesia, and India. Here's a detailed step-by-step process of how PUMA shoes are typically produced in factories. It all kicks off in the vibrant design studio, where brilliant creative minds come together to bring their wildest ideas to life. Designers dive deep into a world of style and performance, collaborating closely with athletes and engineers to craft shoes that are not just visually stunning, but also engineered for movement, comfort, and lightning fast speed. Before the production process begins, PUMA's design team finalizes the shoes in terms of design, which includes the aesthetics, functionality, and much more. These designs are then sent to the factory for prototyping and approval. A prototype of the shoes is created, and adjustments are made as needed based on performance testing, materials, and styling. Once the design is finalized, the thrilling next step is to handpick the perfect materials. PUMA boasts an incredible selection of top-notch synthetic fabrics, luxurious leather, and more, ensuring every piece is crafted with excellence and style. First, large pieces of leather, fabric, or synthetic material are laid out and cut into shapes. These shapes are the different parts of the shoe, like the upper, the tongue, which is the part that sits underneath the laces, usually located in the center of the shoe's upper. The cut pieces of the upper are then sewn together. This is done to form the shape of the shoe, making sure it fits properly over the foot. Sometimes the material is stretched over a mold or last. The components of the upper leather overlays, mesh panels, the tongue, and more are expertly sewn together to create a robust foundation for the shoe. This process primarily utilizes industrial sewing machines, which streamline efficiency. However, skilled artisans meticulously inspect and fine-tune the stitching to ensure every seam is precise. As the upper begins to take form, intricate stitching techniques are employed, including the legendary PUMA stripes that define the shoe's aesthetic. The iconic PUMA logo is prominently applied to the upper through methods such as embroidery, screen printing, or heat pressing, showcasing the brand's commitment to quality. But do you have any guesses on the number of shoes PUMA produces on an average working day? The company produces millions of pairs of shoes annually. According to reports, PUMA produces roughly 100 million pairs of shoes annually across its various factories. If we break this down, on an average working day, PUMA produces around 300,000 pairs of shoes globally. This number can vary depending on the season, demand, and specific production cycles. PUMA operates several factories and partners with manufacturers worldwide to meet the high demand for its footwear. Exciting innovations are happening as the outsole and midsole come to life. The outsole, crafted from robust rubber or similar material, is expertly molded to fit the unique design of the shoe. This ensures that it not only provides exceptional traction, but also delivers comfort and durability. Meanwhile, the midsole is where the magic truly happens. Using cutting-edge materials like EVA foam or TPU, it's expertly injected into molds to create the ultimate cushioning and support. This vital component plays a game-changing role in enhancing comfort and performance, making it an essential feature for athletes and adventurers alike. Get ready to experience shoes that elevate your every step. The upper part of the shoe is carefully lined up with the midsole. Sometimes this is done by hand, but more and more we're seeing robots or special machines come into play to make sure everything lines up just right and sticks together perfectly. Then the shoe gets a little pressed to help the materials bond, and any leftover glue is tidied up so that everything looks smooth and neat in the end. The finishing process is where the magic happens in adding functional details. Any excess glue or markings from the manufacturing process are removed. Leather shoes may be polished for a shiny finish. Laces are inserted, and eyelets, if not already attached, are fitted to the upper. The PUMA logo and any additional labels, for example, size and model number, are affixed to the shoe. The shoes are given a final inspection for any defects, such as stitching problems, glue stains, or size inconsistencies. Once the shoes triumph through quality control, they're primed for an exhilarating journey into packaging. Oh yeah, each pair is expertly nestled into its box, cushioned with protective materials that safeguard them from any mishaps during their thrilling adventure to comfort some new feet. The completed shoes are then set off, ready to dazzle their future owners. Have you ever thought about what the PUMA logo means? Well, the PUMA logo, featuring a leaping puma, symbolizes agility, strength, and speed, qualities that align with the brand's focus on performance and athletic footwear. The puma, known for its ability to move swiftly and powerfully, represents the brand's commitment to helping athletes perform at their best. The logo also emphasizes grace and power, conveying the idea of athletes moving with speed and precision, much like the puma itself. The logo has become one of the most iconic symbols in the sportswear industry. Now you know the story behind your PUMA shoes and the craftsmanship that goes into every step. PUMA Shoes production in factories is a highly organized and detailed process involving multiple stages of material manufacturing, preparation, and quality assurance. PUMA also focuses on sustainability, which plays an increasingly important role as the company works to reduce its environmental impact throughout the production process. Now let's take a small detour into the world of badminton rackets. let's embark on an exciting journey into the fascinating world of badminton rackets. The journey of crafting a badminton racket is an interesting process filled with precise steps, each playing a vital role in shaping the performance and longevity of the final product. From the careful selection of top-notch materials to the intricate assembly, every stage is essential. Join me as we dive into the comprehensive step-by-step guide that unveils the art of badminton racket manufacturing. The journey of creating a top-tier racket begins with the exhilarating task of choosing the perfect materials. Picture this: the frame, the masterpiece crafted from either the sleek resilience of graphite, the cutting-edge strength of carbon fiber, or the reliability of aluminum. And when it comes to the shaft, it's all about that thrilling fusion of carbon fiber and graphite, or sometimes an innovative blend of both. This is where precision and passion collide, setting the stage for a game-changing racket that delivers unmatched performance. The frame of a racket is truly its backbone, and its construction makes all the difference when it comes to power and control on the court. Imagine the thrilling process as the frame is molded in the heat of creation, then expertly removed from the mold and shaped to perfection, typically in an oval or isometric form. This shape isn't just for looks, it dramatically influences the sweet spot and playability, setting the stage for incredible performance during every swing. Here's a picture of the parts of a badminton racket. The shaft is the powerhouse of the racket, serving as the vital link between the handle and the frame. Crafted with precision, it begins with layers of carbon fiber sheets intricately wrapped around a cylindrical core. Once this incredible structure is formed, it undergoes a shaping process and is cured in an oven, unlocking its ultimate potential for strength and agility. This curing not only solidifies its remarkable shape, but also fortifies it against the intense stresses of play, ensuring that every swing feels dynamic and electrifying. The handle of the racket is usually made of plastic or wood, depending on the specific model. A foam grip is often added to the handle to make it more comfortable and keep it from slipping while you play. It's then wrapped in a synthetic or leather grip for that extra cushioning and to soak up sweat during those intense matches. Enjoy your game. The shaft is expertly secured to the frame, employing high-strength adhesives or robust screws tailored to the unique design of each racket. This connection is crucial. It needs to be incredibly strong to handle the intense impacts of the game. The process demands not only precision, but also the right amount of pressure to ensure everything aligns perfectly. It's about crafting a masterpiece that can stand up to the thrill of competition. Stringing a badminton racket is not just a step in the manufacturing process. It's an exhilarating art form. Often referred to as gutting a racket, this crucial procedure directly influences the racket's power and control, making it a game changer for players. Picture this: the racket is securely locked into a specialized stringing machine ready for transformation. Whether stringing by hand or utilizing cutting-edge automated machines, every adjustment requires precision and expertise. The result? A finely tuned racket that's primed to elevate your game and unleash your full potential on the court. We take a careful look at the racket to spot any cosmetic defects like scratches or dents, and we check that the frame is even. Next, we weigh the racket to make sure it aligns with the specifications. We see how it feels in balance, whether it's head heavy, head light, or perfectly balanced, since this can affect your game. We test the flexibility of the shaft to ensure it bends just right when you put some pressure on it. Finally, we check the strings for tightness and make sure the tension is even all around. Once the racket has passed all quality control tests, it's branded with the manufacturer's logo, and additional touches like stickers or special graphics are applied. A protective cover may be included for storage and transportation. Normally, the logo of the brand is engraved with the string. The final product is packed with utmost care and excitement. Each racket is nestled in its sturdy box, surrounded by protective materials to ensure it arrives in perfect condition. Once this meticulous packaging is complete, these fantastic rackets are set to make their journey to retailers and eager customers, ready to hit the courts with style. The production of a badminton racket is an exhilarating journey filled with precision and innovation. It's a complex multi-step adventure that combines cutting-edge materials with expert engineering to create the ultimate sporting equipment. From the moment raw materials are selected to the thrilling moment of stringing, every step is meticulously crafted to ensure top-notch performance on the court. Just imagine lightweight materials like graphite and carbon fiber coming together to forge rackets that strike the perfect balance of strength and flexibility. Designed for everyone from elite professionals to enthusiastic recreational players. With constant breakthroughs in design and technology, badminton rackets are always pushing the boundaries, evolving to deliver an unparalleled playing experience. Get ready to elevate your game with the latest in racket innovation. Drop your thoughts in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and also subscribe to our channel for more.